Hi everyone, this is the first video from a series. The idea behind them is to summarize decisions I made and to help me and hopefully some of you to clearly explain pros and cons of technology decisions. So we will try to build a news feed like Google+. This will be client-server application with rich client and JVM-like language on the server side. We will use Git as our controlled version system. Our first decision will be which build tool is more appropriate, Gradle, Maven or SBT. There is of course a possibility, for example, to integrate Maven, and Eevee, but that's already not out-of-the-box decisions, so we will try to avoid that. We will use Jenkins as continuous integration, so we will have some improvement that we have at each time green build, so we can deploy it and it will run as supposed. We will try to decide between these rich frameworks, Backbone, Angular, Ember, Knockout, maybe something else. We will have on server side J2EE 7 stack. So we will build some simple services using JAX-RS framework, some persistency with Eclipse Link as a provider, and we will delegate some cumbersome work, namely dependency injection to Weld. This will be our first user stories. Clearly I want to see newsfeed, I want to post my news, I want to like or dislike something, and I want to comment and explain why I like something or why I something dislike. The first decision we will try to make will be automation tool. What is more appropriate? If your corporate culture, boss experience doesn't dictate what to use, it's become an interesting task to reason about the choice. It's hard to compare them by features, since all are charged with a rich toolset, and that's probably not what we want. That kind of comparison we could find on distributor sites. Maybe the most reasonable answer for us will be the one that conforms to our current task, so we will practice them in scope of our application and only then try to make the best choice. So first will be Gradle, then Maven, then SBT. These steps will be our grade system. So as first step we will try to decide which automation tool has the most reach or maybe the most easiest way to create a simple project. Then manage dependency. Of course we will have some external dependency and we want to have updates automatically, or we want to have them automatically to be in our build. Then integration with IDE. Today it's also important since IDE could help us a lot during tuning the build. Then deploy on local server. Of course, automation tool will have some features to tune up the deployment process on the server and of course as next step on CI environment. Our next video will be concentrated on these 5 steps in context of Gradle. I hope to see you there. Bye bye.